Augment Code is a beast of a tool when it comes to AI coding. And you may have seen on my other videos that I have been using Augment Code for a while. And I also use Claude Code. And currently what I'm doing is I'm building probably about 95% of my projects in Claude Code. And as the projects get bigger, I tend to find that Claude Code isn't as good at indexing the code base and making the right decisions. Now, it could be down to my prompting, or it could be down to other factors. But either way, when this happens, I then switch to Augment Code, and I notice an instant difference in the output. Augment Code have built their own context engine, which you can see running right here. And so if you're somebody that is new to this and you are giving it very simple prompts, Augment Code is very good at essentially taking that basic prompt and then splitting it up into tasks, which you can see right here. And what these guys have really built is one of the most advanced context engines in the world right now. I don't think Claude Code can actually beat what they have built. And the great thing about this is that Augment Code is actually using Claude 4. So you are essentially getting Claude 4 on top of a context engine that is extremely good at breaking down large complex tasks, large bugs, even large feature requests into smaller chunks and then looking at the entire code base in real time. Now they've also got these remote agents. I haven't tried them yet, but I have heard of good things. And the idea of this is kind of like Codex, where you give it a prompt, it goes and runs in the background with very little input, and it actually puts all this onto its own branch, and you can then do a pull request. That is a really good feature as well, which you can now see other competitors like Cursor are going down that route. Now, if you want to understand more about how good Augment Code is, go to our website and check out this right here. You can actually read this article, and it shows you how these guys are way ahead of a lot of other solutions right now. And that is why I am now using it for my larger projects, and anything that is just complicated that Claude Code can't do on its own, I am feeding into Augment Code and just getting much better output.